So subscribe and like if you enjoy Costco pizza. Oh wow. Wow. Oh.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hello you guys.
Hi everyone. So it's really funny if you don't say anything, Heejin gets nervous and then
I say random things. Keep saying hello, hi everyone.
hi on.
What's up you guys? So today we grabbed the pizza from ROCCO'S. ROCCO'S.
Yeah, it's in downtown Seattle. And we just got the half of a 20-inch pizza because we just assumed a full we probably wouldn't finish. Well, I would finish, but Heejin wouldn't finish.
Yeah, it looked so big in the photo.
Yeah, and we got one of their interesting flavors. So this is their banh mi style pizza.
Oh, before we introduce the pizza we got request from Tommy.
Oh yeah.
So we prepared today for the pizza.
This episode is brought to you by Jungmi.
Okay, so we can open and then we can talk about the menu. How did we choose this place?
So we did a Yelp search on the most reviewed, not the top reviewed, but most reviewed. And I think this also did show up in the top reviewed, but this was maybe the third most rated pizza place in around the area.
Yeah, so that's why we chose this pizza place, and it looked so good. So.
My number one pizza place is Costco, but Heejin didn't want to do it.
Well, okay.
So subscribe and like if you enjoy Costco pizza. Oh wow.
Whoa.
Yeah, we should have gotten the full large.
And they gave us this too. I think this is cucumber.
Oh nice.
So yeah.
Yeah, this is the banh mi pizza. The half of a large, so they give us 4 slices. I don't know what the pickles are for. Do we eat it on the pizza or do we
I
eat
think
it
they
as a side
put
dish?
it on the top of the pizza.
Oh, they do?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I saw the photo like that.
Should we get chopsticks in or?
When we eat, so we put it on.
Yeah, just put it on top of it while we eat.
While we eat, okay. Sounds good. Wow, 진짜 커. So huge. Compared to Coke, it's like this.
The pizza is actually really small. Heejin is just a small person.
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
Tastes like banh mi in pizza form. Wow. I'm really glad that they added the cucumbers on the side. This does end up tasting like a banh mi. This is really good.
Almost done.
Yeah, it's really creative. I had a little bit of reservation because, pizza and banh mi, I was like, how are they going to do this? But it's actually really good.
It's really good. 진짜, I can really taste banh mi here. Good idea that they put the cucumber separately because it's really fresh.
I'd say my only, criticism is, it's not really a big criticism. I might have been a little bit lighter on the hoisin sauce. Not that the hoisin sauce goes great with the pizza, but it just slightly overpowers the other flavors. But
맞아.
it's really good. I mean, I don't want to make it seem like you shouldn't get it or it's good as is. But yeah.
Although it's like 소스가 좀 많긴 해.
Just slightly.
근데 정민이 cucumber 되게 싫어하는데.
Uh-oh.
못 먹어.
Luckily for Jungmin, there's a lot of different flavors at this pizza place. So they don't just have cucumber or banh mi flavor. They had a tikka, which was, I think, a tikka masala inspired pizza. They had a lasagna inspired pizza, a mushroom pizza with truffle oil.
And three peak pizza that has 3 different sausage. Or meat. Mm.
3 little pigs.
Mm. Mm.
I think even without the cucumbers, you could still enjoy the pizza, but I like it with the cucumbers. It helps sauciness. I think we gave that a 4 out of 5, right?
Mm.
What would you give this?
I like the taste of the pizza.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, yeah, it's creative and it's very tasty and fresh, but the price is kind of expensive. It's like, for this size was $33.
So some of it might be like, their prices were a lot different pre-COVID, I think. So some of the price might have been a response to COVID. You know, if we didn't consider price, I think I'd give it like a 4.5. But due to the price, I think like a solid 4 out of 5.
That's why I was like, I'm just gonna give 4.
But
Because it's really tasty.
and in regards to the price, it's not like crazy or anything. But I don't think Heejin and I eat out enough to know how prices, or to, you know, I still have pre-COVID prices in my mind of food. So.
Oh, it's kind of spicy.
There's a little bit of sriracha. The sriracha is pretty light, which I like because otherwise it just ends up tasting like sriracha. I don't think I've ever lived in a place that was known for their pizza though. So, you know, if you're from New York, I don't know if this will be like something you want to eat. Like if this was in California, I'd be like, oh man, this is a really great pizza.
Here, what about here?
I don't know, we're still new to Seattle, so I don't know. I don't know what the pizza scene here is like, but I'm assuming it's not like New York, right? New York is very
Well known for pizza.
yeah, well known.
If we had pizza at the restaurant, that would be also great. 근데 even though we, you know, picked this up and then it's been for a while, like maybe after 10 minutes we're eating, but still pretty good.
There was really nice.
Oh my
I mean, it
goodness.
was short because all we did was pick up food, and
They seem nice.
Yeah, they were really nice. Asked if we needed plates. Yeah, really wonderful staff. For all 1 minute of our interaction. If this wasn't COVID times, I'd really like to try eating at the restaurant.
At the restaurant, yeah. And when we visited, like they were saying hi to us at the same time, greeting like everyone was like hello. Oh, but then there is the place that you could eat, like outside.
Yeah.
They made like separate kind of room, but it's outside.
And it seems like they took a lot of COVID precautions, which I appreciate.
I'm not a fan of cilantro, but I cannot really taste cilantro here. I'm not sure why, but even though like I don't really like cilantro, but still I could enjoy it.
I really like cilantro, so
Yeah.
there's a lot on this pizza, and it's enjoyable. I like it, but
Is it a lot?
I mean, you can see it everywhere.
맞아, 그렇긴 해.
Yeah, taste-wise, the cilantro doesn't overpower anything.
Doesn't overpower anything.
Yeah, there's just a lot of it visually on the pizza. I'm sure you can see it on the screen there. Oh, sometimes we might have a celebrity watching Zion T. Maybe.
I'm fine.
You can ask him too.
This is our first time for trying pizza
In Seattle?
from Seattle.
Yeah, I think. Well, aside from Costco pizza, yeah, it is. It's hard to compete, you know. Once you have Costco, Costco is the peak of pizza. I just really like Costco pizza because it's so well priced.
And it's tasty. Now, should we wrap up?
Okay. So we're gonna finish eating. Bye everyone. Okay.
Okay.
That's
It was good.
This is our awkward goodbye.
Bye. Okay, bye.
Oh.
Bye.